Okay, now we want to, if you see letter B, using the acceleration formula, create a formula to determine final velocity under conditions of constant acceleration. So we're going to do the same thing that we did with the last formula. Remember, with the velocity formula, we said v equals delta x over t equals x minus x0 over t, and then we moved the t over here and we added the x0 and we got a formula, and then divided by v, and we got a formula that said t equals we got a formula that said x equals x0 plus velocity times time. Okay, so we moved the t over there, and then we added this over there as well, and we were left with x equals x0 plus vt. We're going to do the same thing with the acceleration formula. We've got acceleration equals the change of velocity times or divided by time, and we know that change of velocity can be spread out to be v equals v minus v0 over time. Okay, it can be extended to that, and we're going to do the same thing. I want to isolate v. I want to know what my final velocity is if I have a certain set of circumstances. So I'm going to multiply by time, and that's going to give me a t equals v minus v0. And again, if you can do these intermediate steps in your head, that would be great. It's going to save you a lot of time and energy. But anyway, now all I need to do is add v0 to both sides of the equation, and that's going to leave me with v equals v0 plus at. Okay, and notice how similar these equations are. V equals v0 plus acceleration times time. Okay, so here I want to find my final position with constant velocity. Here I want to find my final velocity with constant acceleration. Okay, so hopefully it makes sense then that what we're going to call this is final velocity with constant acceleration. Final velocity with constant acceleration. Okay, so that's my second formula. We've got two formulas now. X equals x0 plus v times t, and v equals v0 plus acceleration times time. Okay, this is two of our big five, and again, these are the simplest ones because they come directly from the velocity and the acceleration definitions. Okay, all we did was just rearrange them to give us a final answer that makes more sense in certain circumstances. Okay, so go on to the next one. So we'll close this video and go on to the next one.